Hello, my name is Lukáš and in this video I will show you how to easily download and install our app to make your products or special offers more visible or present interesting things. We have been in this business sector for a long time. With our experience over the years, we have developed a user-friendly app for you that will help you create your own electronic poster, digital information board or information kiosk, and display your information on a standard or touch LCD screen. You can do all of this very easily and playfully. The app is available for free at LAKIOO.com to try out. You can download the app by clicking on the download demo button right here. Before downloading, I recommend you to visit LAKIOO Creator page, where you will get detailed information about this application and its widgets. You might be wondering, what are the limitations of demo version? The answer is, when creating project, you can try everything, every widget, every settings. The only thing you cannot do is to publish the project you've created. You can see and interact with the project in the project preview window, but without a license, you cannot publish it to the player and show it to your customer, for example in store window. To publish your project, you need to purchase license key on our website LAKIOO.com. So we click on download free demo button and we get to a short form. Fill in your name or company name and email address. Confirm privacy policy and proceed to download. Setup file will be saved. It can be saved in your downloads folder or use this simple keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J to get to list of downloaded files. We start the installation by clicking on the downloaded setup file called LAKIOO Creator Setup. Windows security alert might appear. Here we click Allow access and let the computer install the application. It will automatically start and open on the home page of the main menu. So now we have the application installed and we are ready to create projects. You can see that it was very easy and working with this app is really user-friendly. That would be all for this video. In the description of the video, I will leave a link to download the LAKIOO Creator. You can watch our other videos and in the comments you can let me know if you like the video or write what would you like me to document in the next video, if we haven't already done it. Good luck, be creative, be visible, be LAKIOO.